Should I shave or should I grow, y'all? So 50 days worth of growth, and I've really had some fun. I want to thank each and every one of you that's voted. Should I shave? Should I grow? Giving me all your suggestions. But I'm going to take the suggestion I've heard a lot, and based on just a disastrous 2020, I'm going to start the new year fresh with a fresh face and get back into doing what I do best. And I'm going to finish the year off with my favorite product of all time. Now, a while back, guys, when I had the beard on the first time, I shaved it off with one blade. Now, this is the One Blade Pro. But I forgot to press record, and I'm recording this time. So I'm going to show you just how quick and easy this device is to take a 50-day growth of beard, how quick it can take it off. So let's get cooking. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this one blade rips through this hair. We're going to take the sides off. We'll leave the goatee and we'll take it and assess from there. Look at that. Look at that. That's 50 days of growth, guys. Quick and easy. Look at that. One blade, guys. That's 50 days. Now I'm going to even up my sideburns here. And I'm done. If I want the goatee, I'm done. The goatee. But I'm going all the way. 2020, let's start with a clean, fresh slate. Now this right here is the coarsest, thickest patch of hair I have. Let's get rid of that. Look at that, guys. The one blade, boy. How we liking that? The Papa Tuttle. maybe I'll just leave it like that. Boy, that's wild. What I love about One Blade is the ease of sculpting. If I wanted to take this, thin this out, it's as simple as that, guys. But let's keep going. Should we go with the Juan Valdez? I think I'll stay with the Juan Valdez. What do you guys think about that? No. Let's keep going. The Tom Selleck. We like the Tom Selleck. Let's keep going. I want to thank all of you for your support over the year. We've gotten through 2020 together, and hopefully 2021 will be better. And there we go, guys. There we go. Now I'm going to jump in the shower. I'm going to open up the pores and steam. I will come back and do a quick pass with a traditional blade for a nice New Year's Day clean face. But before I do, this is 50 days of growth. Now, if I wasn't on camera, you can take one blade right into the shower and all this madness goes down the drain. 50 days of beard, but now I'm stuck with cleaning up. All right, guys, fresh out of the shower. Now, with the one blade, I was able to get a decent shave. But if you're chasing, like my buddy Jimmy says, Jimmy G, if you're chasing the BBS, the baby's bottom smooth shave, you need to go one step further. And I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to go with Harry's. This is their Nocturnal Night handle. Limited edition. Harry's Shave Gel. Harry's Post Shave Mist. Fresh out of the shower, I'll just put a little bit more near hot water on the face. An overabundance of that shave gel. Oh yeah, it lathers up real nice. And I really miss this, guys. I miss getting a good lather going and a good nice shave. Looking for great things to happen in 2021, guys. Let's hope. Glad to have 2020 in the rear view. Now, I haven't shaved in a while, so I'm just going to go with one pass with the grain. Just kind of a cleanup pass. I'm going to take my time. I'm not digging, guys. I'm shaving. Oh, that's nice. You hear that feedback, guys? Getting a nice clean shave. The first one of the new year. And I'm not going to push it, guys. I'm not going to chase the BBS too hard because, let's face it, it's been 50 days since I've shaved my skin, and I want to give it a little bit of a break. But that feels good. Maybe address one spot here. So now I'll splash off with some cold water. That'll help close the pores and get my face ready for the aftershave. And a really awesome product I'm loving these days, guys, and I'm happy to be using again. Harry's Post-Shave Mist with botanical extracts. It calms and refreshes the skin. You mist it on, guys. Beautiful. Dries up nice. Feeling good, smelling good, and looking good. Now here's to 2021. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching as usual. Stick with me in 2021. I hope to bring you along for a cool ride again. I'll come up with some interesting stuff to do, hopefully. There'll be more giveaways this year and more friendship. All the products you've seen here, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You can pick them up on Amazon. They'll be shipped right to you. And guys, to me, that's a win-win. Something for you, something for me. It's the way I like to roll. And you know, guys, I'm going to see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, keep pushing play. Now, only if I could get my hair to grow in 2021.